Here's how to fix to call allow WhatsApp access to your microphone. If you're getting this error, the first thing you should try is tap on Settings, and this should bring you to your WhatsApp permissions. So open Permission Settings, then find the microphone permission, and make sure to select Allow Only or Ask Every Time. Now try calling. You may also get a pop-up while trying to call, and from the pop-up, you should choose while using the app. But in case if WhatsApp still shows the error, then it's recommended to give your phone a restart. For most of the Androids, you can force restart your phone by holding down both the volume down and power button until it turns off and your phone's logo reappears. If the problem persists, next we'll check whether WhatsApp is updated or not. Just search for WhatsApp in App Store or Play Store and update it if necessary. Then we will try clearing the WhatsApp cache. Just go to the WhatsApp info, then Storage, and hit Clear Cache. If this doesn't work, you can also back up your WhatsApp chats and then reinstall WhatsApp. This should be able to fix the microphone error. And the troubleshooting that may work is resetting all settings of your Android device. You can just search for the reset option and from there choose Reset All Settings. This will clear up any wrongly adjusted settings and should be able to fix WhatsApp error if it still persists. After resetting all settings, just connect back to your Wi-Fi, and now you should be able to make calls in WhatsApp. That's all. Let us know which step worked, and stay tuned for more.